va? ¿Cómo va todo, pana? Entra, entra.
¿Qué te pasa, güey? Okay. Do you mind leaving the door open so as my brother knows everything is okay?
Sure. No problem. No problem. Perdón. This is Marta.
Marta. Hello.
I am Héctor.
I ain't Tony.
Yo,
So, Oma says you're okay?
yeah? Good. Almost okay.
Okay?
Okay. So, you got the money?
You got your stuff?
Sure, I have this stuff, but I don't have it right here with me now. I got it close by. No te apures.
I don't have the money either, man. I have it close by, too.
Where? In the car?
No, not in the car, man.
No?
How about you? Where'd you have your stuff?
Not far.
Okay. You want me to come in? We start over again, man?
Where are you from, Tonio?
What the fuck difference does it make where I'm from, man?
Coño, cógelo con usted que dice, man. I just want to get to know who I do business with.
You're gonna get to know me when you start doing business with me and stop fucking around, Hector. Okay?
Mira, Antonio.
What's the storm?
¡Quieto! ¡No te muevas, cabroncito!
Páralo en el baño. Ahora.
Oh, front face. You just fucked yourself. You're still from Judea.
Yeah? Okay. You going to give me the cash? Or do I kill your brother first? Before I kill you.
Why don't you try sticking your head up your ass? See if it fits.
Yeah?
It's very important.
Yes, I understand. It's important.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
You forecast an earthquake in the 3 to 4 point range this morning. We had an earthquake in the 3 to 4 point range this morning. I'm impressed.
Thank you, sir.
However, cement evidence.
Antonio, mira, watch what happened to your friend. You don't want this to happen to you? You give me the money, okay? Heavy leg, ¿eh?
Vamos a ver. Ya es hora, man. Ya es hora.
Let's do it, man. Come on.
Ok. No te apures, ¿ok?
Don't worry about it.
Cuidado con los viejos, Dale. Dile que haga bien, man.
Okay, cara cicatriz. You can die too, it makes no difference to me.
Ok, Chicho. Tú puedes por atrás. Yo subo por aquí.
Sí, man. Es chance, pendejo.
Fuck you. Okay?
Yeah, man. Went in and out.
Take him out of here, quick. Chichi. Chichi, get the Yale. Está bien, Tony. Let go. Get him in. Come on. Come on. Come on, let go. One second.